How to add the Outlook, calendar, and email shortcut to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down, then tap on Widgets. After that, scroll down, then tap on Outlook. And then in here, you can choose calendar shortcut or email shortcut, and then drag it to your home screen and let go. And that's it. Now you can tap on the shortcut to quickly open up Outlook calendar or Outlook email. And this is how you can add in the Outlook calendar or email shortcut to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.